Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do your makeup that goes with the yellow dress, and I'm gonna be creating this yellowish golden makeup look, so keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more of my makeup videos. So without further ado, let's just start with today's makeup. First of all, I'm gonna ice my face for prepping my skin. अब आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे मगर क्यों? See, icing has countless benefits when used as a prep step. Icing improves your blood circulation, shrink your pores, and it will also add a glow to your face. So what you need to do is ice your face first, and then you can move on with your moisturizer and your primer. So first I'm gonna fill in my brows. I always start with the top part, and I'm gonna fill in the spaces first at the top front area, और फिर उसी लाइन को लेते हुए I'm gonna connect it to the highest point of my brow. Eyebrows को fill करने के बाद I'm gonna draw an outline with the concealer. ये बड़ा important step है क्योंकि इससे आपके eyebrows और ज़्यादा define करते हैं and they appear to be neat and clean. Before applying any eyeshadow, you should prime your eyes because this will help your eyeshadow blend smoothly on your skin. For the eyeshadow, I'm taking this brown shade and I'm gonna put that shade in the outer V area and blending that shade in small circular motions. Whenever you are applying your eyeshadow, always make sure to lift your eyebrows up and then start with your eyeshadow. When you're blending, इस बात का भी ख्याल रखें कि जिस जगह पे आपने आई शेड लगाया है उसी जगह पे आपने अपनी blending करनी है, because you don't want your eyeshadow to spread on your entire eye area. और अगर आपको लगे कि आपका eyeshadow set हो गया है, then you can slowly blend it out up to your crease area. And I'm gonna repeat that same process on my other eye. Now I'm going in with the yellow color that matches with the dress that I'm wearing, and I'm gonna blend that shade on my eyelids. Next, I'm taking a white color eyeshadow and blending it up on my inner corner of the eyelids. Now to have that shimmery look, I'm going in with the yellow shimmer and pat it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going in with the turquoise eyeshadow that goes with the little details on my dress, and I'm gonna put that shade in my tear duct. I'm taking the same brown shade, and the brush that I'm using is a shader brush, and I'm gonna put that shade on my lower lash line starting with the outer corner. And now I'm using the same blending brush to blend the color with the yellow shade that we have used in our eyelids. Finally, the makeup has come to an end. I hope you have enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.